Let's learn how you can film cinematic videos on Blackmagic Camera application. So let us start by opening our Blackmagic Camera. Here we are at the main menu. What you need to do first is go to settings, go to resolution. You need to click on 4K for the highest quality. Then you need to scroll down, go to the shutter measurement and check angle one. So speed will be on default. You need to change to angle. And now go back to camera. Here you need to click first on FPS and place it on max. So we have 60 FPS available. Then what you need to do is click on ISO and just check 40. Now you need to click on loot and enable this cinema teal. So we can already see that this shoot is more cinematic. Now you need to click here and click on cinematic also. And as you can see here, we now have the more cinematic view right there. What else you can do is basically just lowering the brightness of the video to make it more cinematic and more older, but you don't need to do that if you don't want. This is how it looks at the end. So that's it. Thanks for watching and